Hey guys, welcome back to a Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay guys, so last time I brought you a video, it was regarding about the Wi-Fi, and by now I'm hoping that these videos are helping you guys out as well. Also as well, can I please point something out please, okay? If I do talk fast or if I don't make any sense, please feel free to correct me in the comments below please, because this is an issue I'm trying to overcome, okay? I am very shy, or I am very camera shy, if that makes any sense to you guys. And I'm finding the courage to do things that really scare me. But I thought though it might be a good idea in this episode today to bring you guys different capture cards, okay? And please do know, okay, I am not sponsored or affiliated by no one. I am not. I am just doing this out of my own pocket, and I find this super fun, okay? I really do. So basically, I think it was a few weeks ago, I was on TikTok live gaming Fortnite, and somebody asked me, they're going to be, what is the best game capture card do you think that, you know, a small creator or a small streamer would like, or even professionals? And these are my three options, okay? I've gone with Elgato. Now, I have been with Elgato over for 5 years now. I've been with them over 5 years, and I have loved all their products and services. And that's genuinely honest opinion and reviews about these game capture cards. Now, I do beg your pardon actually, some of them may look a little bit outdated, and that is because this one was the one I started before university. Then after uni, I think during uni actually, it was the Elgato game capture card HD60. And then as soon as I was about to leave university, I completely decided to jump ship and get myself an upgrade of an Elgato HD60X. Now let me run past them of what the cons and pros are. Cons and pros on the original one is basically you can't stream in 1080p or in 4K 60 frames per second. You guys cannot. However though, if you guys are using Filmora, DaVinci, Premiere Pro, in the settings when you guys are editing your videos, you can automatically put it up to 1080p, and you guys can put it into 60 frames per second. Same thing goes with 4K resolution. You guys can do it that way. So if you aren't on a budget, I'm going to give this one 7 out of 10. I beg your pardon. 7 out of 10. This one's a 7 out of 10. If you're just starting out as a new gamer, a new streamer, I would highly recommend this one. Yes, I would highly recommend if you're just starting out, okay? However though, if you are just looking for an upgrade, then I would highly recommend the Elgato HD60. With this one, I suppose the reason why I really do like this one was because of a couple of features. First of all, when you download the Elgato recording software, you can stream, and you could also put your webcam on. And in my opinion, I think that's the best one to go. This one is the best one to go. So I'm going to give this one a 9.5 out of 10. I really enjoyed this one. I really did. Once again, I don't know the prices, but during the editing of this video, I will find the prices for you guys, and I will tag the prices. Also as well, if it's not too much trouble, if you would like to buy yours as well, look in the link box below you guys. I've left you links towards Amazon, okay, where you guys can go and purchase them for yourself, okay. Now, on to my biggest regret, I'm going to say at least, because obviously being a gamer, a streamer, even a tech guru as well, I am still trying to figure out how to use my PC in 4K resolution when I stream, okay? So, let's talk about the Elgato HD60X. Let's talk about this one. Now, this one, sadly, I'm going to give this one a 5 out of 10. This was going to be a 5 out of 10. This is going to be a 5 out of 10. The thing with this one is that you can't put the webcam on. You guys can't stream. And also as well though, and also you can't take photos for your thumbnails. You cannot, okay? So just because of those three, items, this is the reason why I'm giving this a 5 out of 10. This is what I'm giving 5 out of 10. I think it was somebody upon TikTok the other day. They were asking me, what is your recommendation for a great graphics card? And honestly though, without a hesitation of a doubt, I'm going to go with the Elgato Game Capture HD 60. Now, you guys might be wondering to yourself, Sensei, why on earth then did you actually purchase an Elgato HD 60X? At the time though, guys, I was an idiot. Okay, I was an idiot. I was the biggest idiot that ever lived, because I could have saved myself some more money by just going back to the original one. But, you know, nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. We're all freaking idiots. We are half the time. And to be honest though, if I have to do this all over again, the Elgato HD 60 is number one. I would highly recommend this one to all my viewers, all my fans, and all to anyone I met on the streets. With this one, yes, you can stream. Yes, you can put your webcam on. Yes, you can snap photos for your thumbnails, for your YouTube channel thumbnails. That's the reason why I'm giving this one here a 9.5 out of 10. This one for me is one of the best ones to use, okay? And I'm only hoping if this video has helped you out, could you please just subscribe to the channel, please. Subscribe to the channel. I just need to get to 1,000 subscribers, please. And honestly though, I think I figured out what I'm supposed to be doing here upon YouTube, okay? But honestly though, as I say again though, if you would wish to see everything that I've listed for you guys, everything's listed for you in the link box below, you guys. Please make sure that you do check it out. I say again though, much feedback is very much appreciated, please, okay? Guidance, because I don't know where I'm going with this, because honestly though, me teaching you guys, this has been the most funnest experience I've ever had in my entire life. This is the most funnest experience. I've got my BTech level 1 in IT. So, honestly though, I completely think, yeah, that completely helped me out so much. It did, completely. But yeah, as I say again though, guys, I've listed everything for you in the link box below, you guys. Also, as well, please, if you don't mind, check out all my social media accounts. If you have any further questions, please, you know where to find me. And hopefully, I'll probably see you guys on the next one, okay? So, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye, guys. Love ya. Bye.